After you install the Windows 10 for the first time, it will be a little empty, so you will need to install some software that you will use. Firefox is a pretty good web browser that cares for your privacy. Of course, it is better than Google Chrome because Google is a evil privacy company. It is installing Firefox. It will offer you the possibility to import bookmarks from other browsers if you have them. As you can see, this is the download page. It when you click it, it will automatically start download. Another pretty cool web browser is a Tor browser. It is based on Firefox and it allows you to surf the darknet. For the Tor browser, go on the Tor project web page, click Windows version and click download. If you need an Office suite, LibreOffice is a very cool option that is available on Windows, Mac and Linux as an alternative to Microsoft Office. It is used by millions of people and you should use it too because it gives a free alternative to Microsoft Monopoly. If you want a good video and audio player, you should use a VLC Media Player. It is 10 times better than Microsoft Videos and Microsoft Music or Media Play or Windows Media Player. VLC is totally free and open source too with a lot of plugins, and it will for sure be able to read even your oldest and strangest type of video formats. 4K YouTube to MP3 is a pretty cool piece of software that will be able to download every audio from YouTube and other websites. You simply copy the URL and paste it into this application. This was the website for VSC. Click download Windows. This is the one for LibreOffice. Download Windows version, the full offline edition of 300 megabytes. 4kdownload.com products. You use it for both 4K video downloader that works the same as YouTube MP3, but will allow you to download videos, and 4K YouTube MP3 to download audio. This is the window. Press the link. In tools, you can check the directory when files will be downloaded. If you want a very good uTorrent client, some people suggest uTorrent, but since it has a lot of ads, you should use qBittorrent. It is totally free and open source. It is available on Linux and Mac too. Very simple interface. It will automatically accept magnet links. And free download manager. It is a very simple download manager. The best feature is that you can post downloads. For example, if you want to download a file one day but you don't have enough time, you can stop the file and continue to download the file the next day. This is the website freedownloadmanager.com. To make it work, you should use your favorite web browser. Search for the add-ons and search free download manager extension. The one with very user is the real one. Others with few users are fake. It will automatically create a compatibility bridge between the application and our web browser. It is also possible to use it as a torrent client. And here you have, guys, the best applications on Windows 10 2004. Good